A 1, 2, 3, 4. I love succulents and you do too. They're so beautiful, fun and new. The gift that keeps on giving on and on. So watch my videos, we'll all have fun. Okay, so I am about to open this package right here. Taped up pretty good. Well, it's taped up pretty good. Okay, so here we go. We have little packages right here in little brown bags, and we'll start with this. And tissue, 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 tissue. Packed pretty good. Ooh, check this beauty out. I think this is the blood red or something. Come on, focus. Is that beautiful? Okay, so what can I say about this? Pale green with red tips. That's pretty. Echeveria. Some of the Echeverias do not have names, but I will give you the names as soon as I'm done with it. And the next one is, it's beautiful. Ooh, look at that. This is the one with the name on it. Okay, this is this Echeveria species. Okay, but it's, look, it's pale pink. There. Oh, you like it? That's pretty. And it has like, it already has roots. Look at that. Echeveria species. Very, very nicely wrapped. Oh, Echeveria Brave. There we go. Oh, isn't that? Oh my goodness, this one is beautiful. And it has roots too. Echeveria Brave. Nice, healthy plant. See the roots. Let's see, it's like a mummy all wrapped up in gauze. And this beauty. Ah, so pretty. Look at this one. Vampire Red Ball. With roots. That's pretty. I think there's a lot of red Echeverias in Korea. for some reason, I think. They don't have a shortage supply of toilet paper over there. Okay, so Echeveria Paloma, isn't that beautiful? That's where we left off. It's almost like a Lowy. That's the color, the beautiful color. Check it out, check it out. We have 4, 5 more. I got a total of 11. That's pretty. FMA Branti, Echeveria colorata. Ah, this is pretty. It's not pretty. It's so beautiful. I have to take pictures after I plant them. Come on, show me your color, baby. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay. I mean, it's worth it. The price of the big ones are kind of worth it because it's pretty big. I mean, although the shipping was the most expensive thing, it was $35 for just the shipping. But it's understandable because it is coming from a different country. Oh, look at this beauty. They gave me 5. It's just an agavoid, but it's a different type of agavoid. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Nicey. Thank you, hubby. He bought this all for me for Valentine's Day. Instead of flowers, I asked for succulents. Weird request, but that's what I wanted, so he said okay. Actually, he wanted to give me a gift certificate to the nursery down here, and I'm like, and I said, how much is my budget? And he said whatever. So okay. I didn't take advantage. This is another species. I don't know what it is, but it looks like the other one too much. Just a little bit bigger. Maybe not. No, it's different. But that's also a different species, I just feel like they're more geared towards the color red. Like there's a lot of red ones and pink ones, but this is so pretty because it's going to definitely contrast what I have out there. Oh, I have 11 plants to plant. Look at this. I love this. There's a lot. The ones that I don't have names for, I'm just gonna name on my own. Like this will be called Echeveria Anna Marie. This is Echeveria Anna Marie. Okay, there's no name, so Echeveria Anna Marie. And this can be Echeveria Tara. For my daughter. And this will be Echeveria September for my granddaughter. No name, so I'll name it myself. Ooh, check this one out. Oh, I don't know. Why is this Echeveria Rose Queen? See? Again, it's smashed, I feel like. Not so happy about that. They could have done a better job. But this is a Rose Queen. Hopefully, there's some roots there, so hopefully we can survive. Last but not least, see, it's another one, Echeveria Surian. You like it? It's not pretty. Indeed, indeed it is. This just drives me nuts. Like, they're cold. I think I'm just going to like spritz that a little bit. And there you have it. There is the Korean haul. This looks more like, this one looks like my Echeveria multicaulis. And it does have some kind of variegation. It's very nice. I'm impressed by the coloring. It's a vampire red ball. So as soon as they make babies, guys, I have new ones to sell. And these are gonna be a little bit more expensive because of the where it came from and how much like the shipping has been and all that stuff. So yeah. And they have roots, which I'm totally impressed with. Ooh. See, that's why I need to spritz it to let the roots get a little bit of water. And then where did that come from? Yeah, because it looks like the roots are really dry. Like it's been sitting around for a while. So, I don't know. Gotta spritz that a little bit before I put it in the ground. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I will have individual photos of it once I'm done. Or maybe I'll take you with me when I do the planting, the repotting. Okie-dokie. You're the cream cheese on my bagel, the hazelnut syrup in my coffee. I love you all so much. XOXO.